Do you need to write a business plan for your business? When starting a business, one of the most important steps is to create a business plan. A business plan will outline your business goals, strategies, and how you plan on achieving them. As fellow business owners, we understand how overwhelming the thought of creating a business plan can be. However, writing a business plan doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can actually be pretty simple, even fun, especially when you have a step-by-step guide to help you. In this video, we will go over the 10 steps on how to write a business plan. Plus, stay until the end, and we'll provide you with a free business plan template. So, just kick back, relax, and make sure to watch the whole video to find out how to get access to it. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to this video to make sure you don't miss out on our latest videos, which can help you grow and scale your business. We appreciate your supporting the channel. So why do you need a business plan? A well-crafted business plan can help you secure funding from investors, attract new customers, and establish yourself as a credible player in your industry. There is no one formula for writing a business plan. However, there are several components that all successful business plans typically share. We have broken them down for you into 10 simple steps. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to write a professional business plan quickly and easily, which can help you start your business, apply for funding, as well as grow your company. In this video, we'll show you how to write a business plan for your business. Here are the 10 steps to writing a business plan. 1. Executive summary. This is a summary of your entire plan. It is typically 1 to 2 pages long. It should include a brief overview of your business, your team, what you sell or offer services for, your target market, and your goals and strategies. You should also include a summary of your financial and funding requirements, if you are looking to raise capital. The executive summary is often the make or break section of your plan, so make sure it is clear, concise, and interesting. 2. Company description. This section should provide more details about your company, including its history, the products or services you offer, your target market, your competitive advantages, the type of business entity it is, LLC, C Corporation, or S Corporation, including which state it is registered in. A summary of your company's history gives the readers a thorough understanding of who you are and what your business is. This is also a good place to discuss your company culture and values. 3. Products and services. This section gives an overview of what you sell or offer services for, including details on features and benefits. It should also discuss your target market and how your product or service solves their problem. The goal of this section is to prove that your business fills a market need and will remain viable for the foreseeable future. 4. Market plan. In this section, you will need to demonstrate that you have a strong understanding of your industry and the needs of your target market. Include data on your industry as a whole, as well as specific information on your target market segment. This market plan analysis will help you develop realistic sales projections for your business. Also, make sure to include your competitors and show how your business is different. What are their strengths and weaknesses, and explain how will you differentiate yourself from the pack. 5. Operational plan. This section of your business plan should outline your company's day-to-day operations, including information on your team, facilities, manufacturing or service process, any technology you use, and your quality control procedures. This is also a good place to discuss your supply chain and logistics plan. 6. Management and organization. This section provides an overview of your management team, their experience, and their qualifications. If you are seeking funding, this is also where you will include your equity ownership structure and any advisory board members. This section should illustrate how your business is organized. List key members of the management team, the founders, owners, board members, advisors, etc. 7. Budgets and expenses. This section should outline your company's budget and expenses, including projected revenue and profit loss statements. This is a critical part of your business plan as it will show potential investors that you have a clear understanding of your company's financials. 8. Financial plan. The financial plan is a summary of your company's current and projected financials. This section should include your balance sheet, income statements, and cash flow statements. If you are seeking funding, this section is especially important as investors will want to see how you expect to use their money and when they can expect a return on their investment. 9. Appendices. The appendices are where you will include any additional information that is not directly related to the body of your business plan. This could include things like your resume, lease agreements, contracts, letters of recommendation, financial statements, tax returns, etc. 10. Optional sections. If you're raising money from investors, including a short section of your business plan that explains how you'll utilize the money. This is generally referred to as use of funds. Investors will want to see a short description of your exit plan as well. An exit plan is a strategy you use to sell your firm eventually, either to another firm or to the public in an IPO. By following these 10 simple steps, you can write a professional business plan that will help you start and grow your business. To make things easier, you can download a free business plan template that goes over these steps in more detail in writing your business plan. Click the link below in the description to get your free template. Also, remember, if you're looking for business funding without the need for a business plan, we have lots of business finance options available. Give us a call at 877-235-0672. Or simply visit us at firstchoicebusinesscapital.com. Again, call 877-235-0672 or visit us at firstchoicebusinesscapital.com.